Hey, what's going on guys? Today we are gonna talk about the Elementor star rating widget. We will see all the content and design options of this widget and how we can play around with this. So let's start. So first of all, I search for the star rating widget. I drag it to this place under the heading. So this is the option for this widget. So our first option is the rating scale. You can change the scale of the rating to 0 to 5 or 0 to 10. Then this is the rating option. You can change its rating. Right now it's 5. You can decrease it or increase it from here. Then there are some options for these icons. You can choose either font awesome or can choose Unicode. Okay, so this option is for the unmarked style. You can choose either the filled style or the non-filled style from here. This is now only with the outline, and this is the solid option for this unmarked star. And lastly, here is the option for the title of this widget. You can add a title before these stars. Lastly, this is the option for the alignment of this module. You can choose the left or the center or right, or you can choose justify. So after that, this is the styling option of this widget. You can change the text color or the star color from here. So first of all, I want to change its text color from here. Choose any color. Then this is the option for the typography of this text. I choose a font Poppins, and you can control the font size from here. You can control all the typography options from here. The font weight, text transform, font style, text decoration, line height and letter spacing. Then this is the gap between that star and the text, so I want to increase a little bit. Okay, that's perfect. So after the title, this is the option for the star designing. This is the size of this star. You can control it from here. You can control the spacing between the stars from here. And lastly, you can change both the marked and unmarked color. So I want the marked color to red and the unmarked color to black. So I change it red color and the unmarked color to black. Then I click update and go to preview. So this star rating section now looks cool. That's how you can create this cool flexible star rating section. So when a user looks at the rating, they can easily determine the quality of your product or service, and you can get more reliability. And your user testimonial area is also a perfect place where you can add this kind of rating. Okay, so if you don't have Elementor, you can get it from the link of my description below. So get Elementor and make much more amazing sections like this with a lot of widget. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will see you later.